Talk about being at the right place at the right time. A motorcyclist hit by a car on I-84 East in East Hartford. A Hartford Hospital nurse happened to be driving by at the time. Her actions being credited with helping save the motorcyclist's life. Fox 61's Ashley Afonso shares their story.
It was a hot July night, the perfect kind of night for George Diaz to take his motorcycle out. But what happened next, he never could have expected.
I was driving on 84 and I went to go shift lanes, and another car shifted lanes and I ran right into the car and I went stumbling quite a few feet. First thing that came into my mind was, I got 2 kids and a wife at home that still need me.
What he didn't know, a Hartford Hospital nurse happened to have been held over for her shift. She was driving home when she came across the accident.
As soon as I got out of my car, I saw George laying on the ground, and my first thoughts were, please let him be breathing, please let him be awake, please let him be okay enough for me to take care of him until the ambulance can get here to take care of him.
As I was laying there after trying to crawl over to the HOV lane so that another car wouldn't hit me, I remember the first person that came up to me was Nurse Miller, and the first thing she told me was, don't worry, I'm going to be here.
And she was. Laura stayed with George, tending to his wounds until paramedics could get there. Thanks to the care she provided, George walked away from the accident.
You could have easily took off, you could have easily said, I'm tired, but you decided to take what your job means and take it to another level. And I want to thank you, because you were my guardian angel that day.
Today, George and his wife got another chance to thank their guardian angel and the others who helped save his life.
Laura said this was confirmation for her that she's doing exactly what she's meant to do, help others. As for George, he's still recovering from his injuries, but is expected to make a full recovery. Ashley Afonso, Fox 61 News.